Hello children, good morning. I am your English teacher. Today I am going to say the second lesson. The title of the lesson is A Day in the Jungle. The title of the lesson is A Day in the Jungle. Before I start the lesson, I would like to ask some questions, children. Can you name some wild animals? Yes, lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, rhinoceros, bear, mongoose, hyena, polar bear. Correct children, very good. So do you know where do they live? Yes, they all live in a forest. Forest is also called jungle. Forest is also called jungle children. So here the title is A Day in the Jungle. A day in the jungle. It means a day spent in the forest. Yes, who spent a day in the forest? I think some doubts are raising in your mind. Am I right? Yes, children. So, let me tell you, who spent a day in the jungle? Okay? Yes. So, these are the characters of the lesson children who have been to the jungle. Jaya, number 2 Varun, their parents and forest guide. Forest guide. These are the characters of the lesson children. Once again, Jaya, Varun, parents and forest guide. These are the 4 main characters of the lesson children. Yes. So, I just go through the lesson, just read the lesson and you just follow. As I read the lesson, I'll introduce the new words, meanings as well as the own sentences children. So, let me show you some pictures of wild animals. Just have a look children. Yes, just have a look. This is the lesson number 2, A Day in the Jungle. And these are the wild animals you can see. Yes, after this video, I would like to send a picture. Okay, children, I'll send the picture through WhatsApp. Yes, I just read. Be careful. Listen carefully. Ready? Yes, children. Yes. The children were excited. Early in the morning, they woke up to the chirping of birds. Before the sun's rays could peep through the treetops, they had taken their seats in the jeep. This was their first visit to the jungle with their parents. A forest guide who knew the jungle well also accompanied them. Okay, children? Here, the children were very excited. Very excited. Excited, the meaning in the last lesson, previous lesson itself, I have told you excited means very enthusiastic. They are very very excited means they are very eager. They are very eager. Early in the morning, they woke up to the chirping of birds. Chirping means the sound made by the birds. The sound made by the birds is called chirping of the birds. Before the sun's rays could peep through the treetops. Before the sun rays could peep through the treetop. Peeping means looking. Peeping means just looking. Peeping is looking. Through the treetops. Through the treetops means it means here before the sun rises. Before the sun rays could peep through the treetops means before the sun rises, They had taken their seats in the jeep. They had taken the seats in the jeep, in the sense everyone seated in the jeep. Where they are going, children? Where are they going? To the jungle. To the jungle along with their parents. Here, Jaya, Varun, parents along with the forest guide, they are going to visit jungle. So, they are very much eager, excited to see all the wild animals in the jungle, children. A forest guide who knew the jungle well also accompanied them. Accompanied them. Accompanied means coming together, going together, going together, accompanied. Here the word accompanied, accompanied, accompanied. Accompanied means giving company, joining with them. So, as they entered into the jungle, that is, welcome to Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. Oh, this is a wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuary. Welcome to Mukta. Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. Said the guide. You will see lots of animals and birds here. And if you are lucky, you may even spot a tiger. So they entered into the Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. Sanctuary, in the previous year, we learnt about the sanctuary. Sanctuary means the place where the wild animals taking care is called wildlife sanctuary. So they entered into the Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. Said the guide, you will see lots of animals and birds here. And if you are lucky, you may even spot a tiger. Oh, tiger. Children are very much excited to see the tiger in the jungle, children. Have you been to the wildlife sanctuary, children? To the jungle ever? No? Okay. Ask your parents to take you to the wildlife sanctuary, children. Yes. Here, I would like to ask you question, children. Task. What is that? Can you name some wildlife sanctuaries? Name some wildlife sanctuaries. Yes, note down the question, children. I'll give you the answer in my next video. Okay? Wildlife sanctuary. After completion of the lesson, I'll give you the answer. In between, meanwhile, you just name some wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, this is Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. Yes. Look, said the guide, pointing to something moving under the bush. They peered down and saw a porcupine. It bristled its quills. Wow, said Jaya, pointing to the spines. Those look like they would really hurt. Okay? Look. Once again. Look, said the guide, pointing something moving under a bush. Something moving under a bush. It is a jungle. We know it. There would be so many trees, plants, bushes. Yes, children. So there was something moving under a bush, children. You will see. Yes, here they peered down and saw a porcupine. Or a porcupine. Porcupine is an animal, wild animal, children. Yes, I think you have seen I just show you the porcupine in the picture. Once see the porcupine in the picture, children. Yes, this is porcupine. This is porcupine, children. This is a wild animal. It is a porcupine hiding under the bush. Hiding under a bush, children. Something moving, no? That was porcupine. They peered down and saw a porcupine. What is here? A new word is peered. You would be thinking, what is the meaning of peered? What is the meaning of peered? Yes, children, here I tell you the new word introduced, peered. P-E-E-R-E-D, peered. P-E-E-R. Yes, children. Here, P-E-E-R-E-D, peered. Peered is a new word for you. The meaning of the peered is looked carefully. L-O-O-K-E-D, looked carefully. C-A-R-E-K-F-U-L-L-Y, fully. Looked carefully. What did they look carefully? Peered, they peered. Peered. What did they look carefully? Yes, to the porcupine. To the porcupine. Okay, children? Yes. Down and saw a porcupine and saw a porcupine. It bristled, it squills. It bristled. Again, one more new word, children. You would be thinking, what is the meaning of the bristled? Yes, B-R-I-S-T-L-E-D, bristled. Say, children, say along with me. B-R-I-S-T-L-E-D, bristled. The meaning of the bristled is stood upright. Stood upright. It means the quills of the porcupine stood upright, means sharply. Sharply, the spines of the porcupine are there, no children? That was, look, see children here. See here. You can see clearly the spines of the porcupine are upright, bristled. These are bristled, children. Yes. It's quills. It's quills. The sharp porcupine. These are the bristles. They are sharp. They are the edges are very sharp. Okay? Yes. So, one more new word, children. Q-U-I-L-L-S. Quills. The meaning of the quills is thin, sharp spines on the porcupine. Thin, sharp spines of the porcupine. These are the thin, sharp spines of the porcupine. Do we have spines on the body, children? Do we find any spines on our body? No, we don't find any spines. But the wild animals will be having the spines, thin, sharp, that is, we can say clearly that those are the hair. That is a thin, sharp hair. Yes, using that, the porcupines or other wild animals, they protect from themselves in the jungle. In the jungle, children. Yes. So, these are the quills of the porcupine. Yes. Those look like they would really hurt. They would really hurt. If you touch the porcupine edges of the quills, they would really hurt. That much sharp they are. That much sharp they are. Yes. So, I have read 3 paragraphs for you. Once again, I would like to read. Listen carefully, children. Yes. Children were very excited. Early in the morning, they woke up to the chirping of birds. Before the sun's rays could peek through the treetops, they had taken their seats in the jeep This was their first visit to the jungle with their parents. A forest guide who knew the jungle well also accompanied them. Welcome to Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary, said the guide. You will see lots of animals and birds here. And if you are lucky, you can even spot a tiger. Look, said the guide, pointing to something moving under a bush. They peered down and saw a porcupine. It bristled, it quills. Wow, said Jaya, pointing to the spines. Those look like they would really hurt. Okay, children? So quickly, I just explain you. Jaya and Varun are brothers and sisters. They had been to the jungle forest along with the parents and forest guide. They peered. They peered into the, looked carefully. Peered means looked carefully into the porcupine, something moving under the bush, that is porcupine. Bristled, stood upright. The quills of the porcupine are stood upright like this, sharp. They are very thin and sharp, children. And here one more new word is, we can say that quills. Quills. Quills means again thin sharp spines of the porcupine. Okay, children? Yes. Next. They drove on, enjoying the overhead canopy of trees and gentle bumps on the road. Up ahead, a few spotted deer were crossing the road. When they went closer, the deer seemed to have disappeared. So after they are going on through the by the jungle, after the porcupine, when they were just moving on, they drove on enjoying the overhead. Enjoying the overhead means above the head. Overhead means above their head there is a canopy. There is a canopy. What is canopy? Yes, children. Canopy means branches and leaves of trees. Canopy means another new word, children. Canopy. Canopy. Say along with me. Canopy. What is canopy? Yes, branches and leaves. Branches and leaves of trees that form cover high above the ground. So overhead they can see so many branches and trees. They touch each other and they form like a shade. They form like a shade, children. So if you see once, whenever, if you see anywhere we find a thick jungle or thick so many trees together, they form a canopy. They form a canopy. Canopy means nothing but the branches and trees, they totally cover, so that we sometimes we cannot see the sky also. We cannot see the sky, children. That is totally the trees, leaves, every all together, bushy. It's like overhead, above the head. Long trees they cover. That is canopy. Yes. Of trees, the gentle bumps on the road. The gentle bump. B-U-M-P. Yes, bumps. Bumps means up and downs. Gentle bump means very low up and downs on the road. Up ahead, a few spotted deer were crossing the road. Spotted deer were crossing the road. When they went closer, the deer seems to be disappeared. When as they are moving on the jeep slowly, moving on the jeep slowly. The deer, as they go very close to deer, the deer disappear. The deer disappear. Okay children, thank you. I'll continue in my next class.